In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your SaaS app features and user needs effectively. Let's get started on this exciting journey of bringing your app idea to life. First, you'll want to log into Base44 using Chrome. Base44 is an excellent platform that provides all the tools you need to get your SaaS app off the ground. Once you've logged in, you'll create a new app project. It's the first step where your vision begins to take shape, and all your ideas come together in one cohesive space. After setting up your project, you have the option to use pre-designed templates or start from scratch with intuitive drag-and-drop tools. If you're new to app development or want to save time, templates can be a lifesaver. They provide a well-structured framework that you can customize based on your specific needs. However, if you feel adventurous or have a very particular design in mind, starting from scratch gives you complete creative freedom. Now, moving on to the core functionalities of your app. Adding user registration, subscription management, and dashboard components are crucial for most SaaS applications. User registration functionality ensures that your users can seamlessly create accounts and start using your app. Subscription management is key for keeping track of your users' plans and billing cycles. The dashboard, on the other hand, acts as the central hub where all vital information is displayed. It's important to design it in a way that's both informative and user-friendly, as it's likely to be the most visited page by your users. Integrating payment gateways is the next critical step. This functionality will handle all subscription billing processes. It's essential to choose a gateway that is secure, reliable, and offers flexibility for future changes. Pay attention to the fees, supported currencies, and ease of integration when making your choice. Remember, smooth and secure transactions can enhance user trust and loyalty, which are important factors for any SaaS business. Testing steps are crucial before you go live, especially focus on multi-user functionality and data security. Multi-user functionality ensures that different users can access their unique accounts without glitches. Testing data security is equally important to protect user information and maintain trust. Ensure you comply with relevant data protection regulations and implement strong encryption methods. Finally, once you're confident everything is up and running smoothly, it's time to publish your SaaS app and set up marketing channels. Publishing makes your app available to potential users, while marketing channels help you reach your target audience effectively. Consider using various platforms like social media, email campaigns, or partnerships to spread the word. Keep your audience engaged with regular updates and interactions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to planning your SaaS app features and user needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips. Happy developing!